What is going on, guys? We're back again. I know it's been a while. We got another repair video for you guys, so stay tuned and we'll get this figured out. Today we have a 2005 Honda Civic, and we got the infamous right here, the check engine light. So we got 257,000 miles on the clock. I just put on a head gasket, so it's all good to go. The only thing we got is P0139. So let's go ahead and scan it with our scanner here. And this will take a while, so. Okay, that took a little while. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we do have a P0139. There we go. It's the O2 sensor 2. There's only 2 on this vehicle, so let's check out what's going on. Let's look at our live data. Let's graph both of them, see what's going on here. So the first one would be known as a air fuel sensor. Second one here. Let's grab those 2. Yeah, by the way, this has to be on a closed loop system. Looks like we've already achieved it here. So the car was running for a good while. It's all warmed up all the way. Let's go ahead and just show those. Let's graph them. Okay, I'm accelerating. Our air fuel sensor is going a little crazy. That'll be bank 1, sensor 1. I'm not getting much response from our other one. Looks a little flat. Let's see. Okay, it was going back up, but it's definitely really slow. Okay, let's see if it'll go back up. Looking at our valley right here. There we go, we're starting to climb. Okay. Yeah, that's acting really weird. So, I gotta say right away that this is a oxygen sensor. There's not much else it could really be, so let's go out and let's change it up. See what we can do. Okay, now that we know what it is, sensor 2 actually follows up on this gray connector and this light blue wire going down, so we gotta lift up the car. Okay, so first thing we want to do is just unplug this sensor right here. It's already broken. I'm just gonna pull it by the wires. Down here there's a holder. Careful if you've been running the car, because it's gonna be really hot. And then there's one down there, so I don't think this guy's gonna focus on us, so trust me, it's right here. Pull that wire out. Okay, now we can leave it loose. And then go ahead and lift up your vehicle. Lift it right here in the middle. Get your jack stands on the pinch welds. Then under the car, I'm gonna use this guy, O2 sensor socket, the long 3/8. Okay, so under the car, you're gonna see the sensor right there. Trying to do this with one hand. Once you lock it in place, once you lock it down, God, that was easy. Okay. Once you got it out, go ahead and compare the two. As you can see, these look basically exactly the same. Little faded discoloring, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and throw it on. So what you want to do is make sure you take that cover off, and this should come with anti-seize. If it doesn't, go ahead and throw some on the threads right there, and then up we go. Okay, so something very unfortunate happened to me, where I had to go ahead and splice that into the old connector. Inside the connector was broken. It looked like it was a returned product, and I couldn't use the old connector. So anyway, you guys won't go through this, but if you do, well, I'm not sure if you guys would want to do that. I needed the car as soon as possible, so I had no time to go return it and wait for it. But anyway, let's go check out the parameters, or should I say the live data, and see where it's changed. Okay, so I did erase the codes a couple days ago, and obviously you're gonna look at this when it's closed loop. So let's go ahead and show. And so before, I could barely get a response over here. As you can see, when I'm stepping on the gas, I actually, right here on the green line, is actually our sensor 2. And as you can see, it's responding very well now, which before it was more of a flat line and I couldn't really get it to do anything. Anyway, if this video helped you out, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.